going on, YouTube? So it's kind of late, and long day at work. Need something to do to unwind, so I'm gonna do some toolkit therapy and try and make this wreck of a Harbor Freight. I think it was a little cheap Pittsburg kit. I'm gonna try and make it not suck and maybe unwind a little bit. Enjoy. All done. All right. I'm pretty happy with it. I think so we started out with this little $12 Harbor Freight kit that I bought as just like a cheap car kit. And I had to, of course, get rid of all the little metric bits, or not metric, the standard bits, because I don't have any cars that use those. So once those were out, just a little corner of my piece of Kaizen foam that I had left. So this kit came with a 3/8? Yeah, 3/8 ratchet. It's an okay one. I mean, it's not by any means, well, no, it's not really. I mean, it's okay, it's pretty shitty. But it ratchets, does ratchet things. And so we've got the ratchet, we've got a little 1/4 inch, 3/8 to 1/4 inch adapter. We have 10, which you can see I marked with some yellow paint. So we got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We got a 16 down here and a spark plug socket. 17. And we skip 18, we go to 19. And got a little extension. Then you have the 1/4 inch or 1/4 inch drive bits, and we got 4 to 13. So not a bad little set. And let's see. Then I did make a couple modifications. Still got some of the I sprayed some of this spray adhesive to the back of this once I was done, just to stick it on here. But yeah, for $5 I got this little torque set, of course marked the T30. And then we've also got, part of the reason I thought this set was cool for $5 was it came with this, which my other modification, got rid of this big driver, which, I mean, it's comfortable enough, but it's just a little too chunky. And I really like this style of driver. So, of course, I bought like a 3-pack for like $9 of Chinesium variety, because this is a Chinesium toolkit. But the nice thing about this one is the little ball detent works just fine, and it holds on the sockets just fine. So now I've got my screwdriver functionality back, as well as some Torx bits. Got the Phillips and flatheads that came with the kit put in here. And yeah, tuck the handle right back there. Yeah. And found I couldn't, this zipper kept going in so far I had to like struggle to get it out, so I just stuck a little zip tie on there. And look at that. So Started out 12 bucks. Harbor Freight sale. This was $5. This was like $9 for a 3-pack, so this was like $3. So you're looking at a $20 kit here that has 3/8, 1/4 inch. A lot of extra standard stuff if you want to have a pile of that somewhere. And I think I succeeded in making the kit not suck as bad. So gotta figure out which car I'm going to throw it in. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.